Foil sealer machine. Turn on the heater and set the sealing temperature as per the foil and container requirement. Take a liquid-filled jar. Place the aluminium foil sealing liner properly on the mouth of the liquid-filled jar. Position the jar under the sealing head. Press down the handle. The heat seals the aluminium foil securely onto the jar mouth. Remove the sealed jar carefully after the sealing cycle is completed. Inspect the seal to ensure it is uniform, leak-proof, and properly bonded. Take another liquid-filled jar of smaller size. Cover its mouth with aluminium foil. Adjust the height of the sealing head as per requirement through the rotating knob. Press down the handle to initiate the sealing process. After sealing, the jar is completely and securely sealed.